In this video, I'll show you how to attach any object or graphic to a moving surface in DaVinci Resolve Studio. First, go to the Color page by clicking the Color tab at the bottom of the interface. In the Effects panel, type Surface Tracker into the search bar, then drag and drop it directly onto your node tree. Next, connect the green output from your clip to the input of the Surface Tracker node. Then, connect the output of the tracker to the next node in your chain. Now, draw a square outline around the surface where you'd like to attach your object. Switch over to the Mesh tab and increase the number of mesh points to around 150 for a more detailed track. After that, go to the Track tab and change the tracking quality to Better. Click the Track Forwards button and let DaVinci Resolve process the track. Depending on your clip length and resolution, this might take a bit of time. Once tracking is finished, bring in the object or image you want to attach by dragging it into your node tree. Connect its green output to the empty green input on the tracker node. Then, connect the blue output from your object to the blue input on the tracker node. Now, your object should stick seamlessly to the surface as your video plays. This technique works great for adding logos, graphics, or creative elements that need to move naturally with your footage. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!